OpenAI update is insane. OpenAI just dropped something that's going to change everything. I'm talking game-changing stuff that's happening right now. This is the biggest update we've seen in months, and it's absolutely wild. So OpenAI just released something massive, and nobody's talking about it yet. I'm going to break down exactly what this means for you and how you can use it right now to get ahead of everyone else. First thing you need to know is this isn't just another small feature update. This is a complete shift in how AI works and what it can do for your business. The timing is perfect because most people have no idea this even happened yet. That means you're early, and being early is how you win. Let me paint a picture for you. Remember when ChatGPT first came out and the people who jumped on it early made bank? They were the ones who figured out how to use it before everyone else caught on. They built businesses, they automated processes, they created content that crushed their competition. This update is that kind of moment again. Now, here's what actually changed. OpenAI rolled out massive improvements to their models that make them faster, smarter, and way more useful for real business applications. We're talking about speed increases that cut your processing time in half. We're talking about accuracy improvements that make the outputs actually usable without a ton of editing. And we're talking about new capabilities that weren't even possible before. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. The speed thing alone is huge. Think about it. If you're running AI operations for your business right now, cutting your time in half means that you can do twice as much work, or you can serve twice as many clients, or you can create twice as much content. That's not a small improvement, that's a competitive advantage, but it gets better. The accuracy improvements mean you're spending less time fixing AI mistakes, less time editing, less time going back and forth trying to get the right output. That's time you can spend on growing your business instead of babysitting AI tools. Now let me tell you about something even more interesting. They added new reasoning capabilities that changed the game completely. The AI can now think through complex problems in ways it couldn't before. It can break down multi-step processes, it can analyze data better, it can give you insights that would take a human hours to figure out. Here's where it gets really practical for you. If you're in any kind of service business, this update lets you automate more of your workflow than ever before. Client research that used to take hours, now it takes minutes. Strategy development that required deep thinking, the AI can handle the heavy lifting. Reporting and analysis that was tedious and time consuming, automated. And if you're creating content, this is a goldmine. The new models understand context better, they maintain consistency better. They can match your brand voice more accurately. That means you can scale your content production without it sounding like robot garbage. But wait, there's something most people are missing about this update. It's not just about what the AI can do, it's about what this means for the competitive landscape. Right now, while everyone's sleeping on this, you can implement these improvements and leave your competition in the dust. Think about your competitors. Most of them are still doing things the old way: manual research, slow content creation, time-consuming analysis. If you jump on this now and automate those processes, you're operating at a completely different speed. You're a Formula One car racing against people on bicycles. Now, I want to share something really important. This update also improved the API capabilities. For those who don't know, the API is how you connect OpenAI to your own tools and workflows. The improvements here mean you can build more powerful automations that actually work reliably. Here's what I want you to do right after this video. Go test these new capabilities yourself. Don't just read about them, actually use them. Take a task you normally do manually and see if the improved AI can handle it better now. I bet you'll be shocked at what's possible. And speaking of making money with AI, I need to tell you about something that's helping people scale faster than anything else I've seen. It's my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I share the exact systems and automations we use in my seven-figure agency. We're talking about workflows that generate leads, automations that save hundreds of hours, and strategies that are making members serious money right now. The link is in the description, and honestly, if you're serious about scaling with AI, you need to be in there. Now, back to this OpenAI update. One thing that's really impressive is how they improve the model's ability to understand nuance. This was a huge problem before. You'd ask for something specific, and the AI would give you something generic. Or you give it context, and it would forget halfway through the response. Not anymore. The new models hold context better. They understand subtle distinctions. They can work with more complex instructions. This is massive for anyone doing sophisticated work with AI. Let me break down what this means in practical terms. Say you're writing emails for your business. Before, you might tell the AI your brand voice, your audience, your goal, and by the third email, it would start drifting away from your instructions. Now, it maintains that consistency across dozens of emails. That's the difference between AI that needs constant supervision and AI that actually saves you time. Or think about research. You're digging into a topic and you need the AI to understand multiple sources, compare different viewpoints, and synthesize insights. The old models would lose track. They'd mix things up. They'd miss important connections. The new models, they can actually follow complex research tasks from start to finish. This improvement alone is worth thousands of dollars if you're using AI for client work. Less revision, less back and forth, higher quality outputs. That means you can take on more clients, charge more for your services, or just have more time to grow your business. Now, here's something wild that most people don't realize yet. These improvements stack with other AI tools and techniques. If you're using custom GPTs, they just got way more powerful. If you're using AI agents, they just got way more reliable. If you're using automation workflows, they just got way more capable. You know what the real opportunity is here? It's not just using AI better, it's using this moment while others are asleep to build systems that give you a permanent advantage. Once you have these automations in place, once you have these workflows dialed in, they keep working for you. They keep giving you that edge. And the timing couldn't be better because AI is only getting more important for business. Every single industry is being transformed by this technology. The companies that embrace it early are dominating. The ones that wait are struggling to survive. I see this in my own industry. SEO and digital marketing used to be almost entirely manual work. Now, the agencies that have embraced AI are crushing it. They're more profitable. They're scaling faster. They're providing better results for clients. The ones still doing everything by hand, they're either dying or getting acquired by the AI-powered agencies. This pattern is happening everywhere. Content creation, customer service, data analysis, sales, marketing, operations. Every function in every business is being enhanced by AI. And updates like this one from OpenAI just accelerate the trend. Here's what I want you to understand. This isn't about replacing humans. It's about enhancing what humans can do. It's about taking the tedious stuff off your plate so you can focus on high value work. It's about scaling your impact without scaling your stress. That's what this OpenAI update enables for you. Better automation, more capability, higher quality, all so you can focus on the parts of your business that actually matter. Let me tell you about one more thing that's really exciting. The cost improvements. OpenAI, I didn't just make their models better, they made them cheaper to run. That means the economics of using AI just got way more favorable. Tasks that might have been too expensive to automate before. Now they make total sense. This opens up entirely new use cases. Things you couldn't justify before are now profitable. Automation you couldn't afford is now accessible. That's huge for small businesses and solo entrepreneurs who are working with tight margins. Now, I know some of you are thinking this all sounds great, but you're not sure where to start. You're not sure how to actually implement this stuff in your business. You're not sure what tools to use or what workflows to build. That's exactly why I created the AI Money Lab. This is my free community where I share everything I'm learning about making money with AI. We've got over 50 free AI tools in there. We've got over 200 ChatGPT prompts specifically for SEO and business growth. We've got case studies from members who are making thousands of dollars using these techniques. One member made over $10,000 just from strategies they learned in the community. Inside, you'll learn how to make money with AI agents. You'll get access to over 1,000 free workflows. You'll see the exact blueprints we use to generate thousands of leads without spending a dime on ads. And you'll be part of a community of people who are actually doing this stuff, not just talking about it. The best part is completely free, no catch, no upsell, just pure value, because I believe the more people who succeed with AI, the better off we all are. The link is in the description. Go join right now.